Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder creates iOS and Android apps for your website with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. In this video, we will provide a brief guide on how to use the new menu list layout on your home screen. First, log into your FluxBuilder account and open your app. Navigate to the Home section. Click the Add New Layout button and select Menu List. Let's start by adding new items to the layout. In the data settings, you can input either text or images. Initially, your items will display as shown here. I will now proceed with additional items. Within these settings, you can also select the navigation options for each item. Once you have added enough items, it's time to adjust the layout designs. After modifying the initial settings, scroll down to expand the settings for title, card, and image for further customization. FluxBuilder also provides pre-existing designs that you can quickly apply, helping you save time while designing your layout. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.